furthest side of the field, as far away as you can possibly be. Good afternoon. So as I've mentioned in a couple of clips previously, Finn had a little bruise that came up on her right front foot. We didn't know what it was at first, to be fair, but then it kind of just like gradually got better, and it just kind of showed all the symptoms of being a bruise, so we kind of just gave her a little bit of time off actual like full-on ridden work, and just kind of did walking. So I did saying hello to her mates. So we just did like walking poles in the school, and then I took her out for little mini hacks, just also walking for about 15-20 minutes. I just basically walked out and then turned around and came back home. She's actually lost a shoe since then, which is very annoying, and it's the same foot that she had a bruise on. So come on, Finley. So I haven't really been doing anything the last few days, but my friend lent us like a little woofwear kind of hoof boot thing, and that's just kind of protecting her like sole and frog a bit. So I decided I would do a little something today, and what me and Mum are going to try with her, which we've never done, I don't know why. Come on. So we're going to do some long reining. I'm going to give her a little try today. She's spooking at something for some reason. Weirdo. And yeah, we'll see what she's like. I might take her for like a little wander around, probably not around the whole farm, but just on the grass and like up the lane and stuff. So yeah, should be quite fun. She's on one. What is it, Finn? On Finley! Yay! So we had a week where she lost a shoe, and we had to wait that long for my farrier to come out because of the whole COVID situation. So yeah, it feels great to be back on board. Let's get on that fitness work. Good girl. Finn is just very excited right now, and it's a bit windy. I think I'm a crazy person going for a little canter in the field on our first proper ride back. Oh well, it'll be fine. I'm out on the little mini one today. He's so cute and perky all the time. Aren't you, Spides? I've already gotten Finna's in. She's eating her dinner at the moment. I still need to get Bridget in, Finn's field buddy, because she wouldn't let me catch her when I got Finn in, which is great. She was very naughty, she ran around. So I was like, sod it, I'm not catching you right now. So I've just left her. Finley. And Finnas and I are having a little hack around the farm. Finn is still unfit, so she's getting kind of sweaty even just on like short rides at the moment. She's not totally unfit, but I just didn't want her to get unnecessarily hot. So yeah, we're wandering around the farm instead.
Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town, I've never seen a sky so blue. Doesn't matter what we do, there ain't nobody like you. Look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high, ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down, ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high, ain't nobody like you.
morning, guys. So it is Good Friday today and I am heading off bright and early to go and take Finnis for a little hack because it's supposed to be super duper warm today, so I thought I'd get out early.
Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town, I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't have a plan and the night is young, it doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like, there ain't nobody like.
So we're about to have a little canter up this hill. Not that bit, this bit around here. It's pretty good for building that fitness, and it's actually not as steep as it looks because that's really steep. But this is fine, but it's just quite like prolonged, which is nice. So she can get a bit of a pant going on, really work out her lungs, and hopefully harder for her to back up a hill.
Thirsty. Oh, he's eating a bit of wheat.
Both eating their dinner. Finley, you're so cute. I wonder if he would think about eating out of the bowl. She's so cute. Oh, okay. He's like, oh, I don't feel safe in that space. Finnis and I are having such a nice little morning hack. It's not even nice weather or anything, like it's warm, but it's very grey, looks like it's gonna rain any minute. But I'm just really enjoying this little ride with my horse. She's so lush. We're going downhill at the moment. She doesn't just look like really low down. This is the field that we're going to canter around. So we're going to canter along this side. It's a little bit down the hill, just kind of ever so slightly, and then the bottom end is slightly downhill, and then you kind of come up the hill when you come up alongside over there towards that house. So yeah, let's go, Finley. I'm just chilling with Finley while she dries after our ride. Sleepy girl. Good afternoon. I'm just out on a little hack with Finnis. Got a very spooky, snorty horse today. She's just struggling to deal with, you know, the normal like plants and leaves and stuff. I think it's because they literally just changed onto their summer routine. So last night they stayed out in the field. I am so happy to have switched them over because for me it means a lot less mucking out. So yeah, I'm gonna be loving life until the end of summer now. Good girl, Finley. You cows are very brave. So are you, Finnis. I've just finished poo picking the field, so it's all nice and clean. The girls are out, as I said earlier. Oh, hello, Finley. They have switched to their summer routine. Want to smell your own poop, do you? Yeah, so they're on their summer routine now, out at night. So yeah, they'll just be gobbling grass until the morning. It is currently disgusting weather, so we are going down early, getting those poor horses in from the field. Can you hear it? Yucky rain.